So the way the sound processing system works is it collates all the data from the 4 different microphones that have been separated in their individual housings, and it brings that all together in the Arduino that's a sound processing unit underneath the image processing unit right now. That Arduino is responsible for collecting and storing all of the data from the microphone arrays that's arrayed around it, and then it also makes the decision on which one of these microphones is listening to the loudest sound. That microphone is taken to be the direction, the general direction of the sound source, and then it sends that signal to the servos, turning the camera in that direction. Then it sends a flag communicating with the IPU, letting it know that it can begin its next judgment cycle to determine whether or not there is a drone.
Good job, okay. Yep. Okay.
Our image processing unit has a state-of-the-art machine learning model loaded on there. It's based on the mobile net version 1, and when the image unit gets a signal that it's ready to take an image, it will do so, it will run it through the model, and if the unit sees a drone, the LED will light up on the top and also on the back of the board, and there is also a printout, so somebody can actually observe what's camera seeing directly from the computer.
Unfortunately, we have those original systems.
Oh, okay, that's it. So we need another
So how would you use that battery? So, okay, let's decide you need voltage. So this is resistor. I'm going to draw it like this. Your pin A, this is pin B. This is A, this is B. And so you're saying I put this battery and ground. Where do we read signal? This is the resistor.
For the hardware and the mounting of the system, we really wanted to focus on how easy it was to manufacture and that we could massively scale up when the time came. We started off with the most basic design, just a box. We wanted all our microphones equidistant from each other, as well as firm mountings that would also dampen any ambient acoustics. We wanted directional. That's why each of the microphones were mounted in individual cases on each side of the box. We then produced a rack to drop into it to, again, make it easy to both mass manufacture and access. On this rack, we built a small mounting system for our servos. It allows it to be more stable, so when it does all these high-speed spins, it just spins itself out and knocks itself over. On top of that, we also designed our own small custom camera mounting. Not only does it allow the camera to be placed on it, and we can scale that up to a bigger, better camera when you have the time, we've also included the breadboard on the back of the camera to make that one continuous unit. So it's not spread everywhere, it's not going to get caught on anything.
They might have stopped producing it actually.
Oh wait, hold on.
Original